Can a stylus pen replace the Apple Pencil? As tablets become essential tools for work, study, and creativity, many users wonder, can a stylus pen replace the Apple Pencil? The answer depends on your needs, but for most everyday users, the answer is yes. The Apple Pencil offers excellent precision and deep integration with iPads, making it ideal for professional artists and advanced creative work. However, its high price makes many users look for more affordable alternatives. Today's active stylus pens offer high accuracy, smooth performance, and fast response, making them perfect for note-taking, sketching, and daily tasks. Many also feature fast charging, long battery life, and wide compatibility across multiple devices. For example, the Meko stylus pen provides precise writing, broad compatibility with iPad and Android devices, and fast charging that delivers hours of use in just minutes. It's a practical and cost-effective option for students, professionals, and everyday users. In conclusion, while the Apple Pencil is excellent, a quality stylus like Meko can deliver a smooth and reliable experience at a much more affordable price, making it a smart alternative for most users.